Hello and welcome to 4am Art. Justin here. In this video we'll be drawing this hare, otherwise known as a jackrabbit. So we'll start with drawing our basic shapes, trying to rough in the body, the head, and trying to make sure our proportions are fairly accurate. Feel free to erase as needed, and I'm just using a regular HB pencil. Using very light lines, very easy to erase, very easy to make corrections. Once I'm pretty comfortable and pretty happy with my proportions and how it looks, I'll start darkening some of the lines and adding some shading. Still using my HB pencil. Notice the shading on the right as I'm drawing is still quite a bit lighter than the final drawing on the left. We'll just adjust the fur in certain areas with short lines, adding shadows as needed to make it more three-dimensional and giving it more volume. Keeping the edges, the perimeter edges of the rabbit or the hare a little bit rougher with short lines as opposed to a continuous straight line or continuous lines. Keep in mind that this is really just a sketch. This took me about 8 minutes in total, so I'm not really going for super realism. Once we're happy with our general shading and it looks more three-dimensional, we can switch to softer lead to make some of our lines darker, the shadows darker. And this is 4B lead. Remember, you could just use one pencil, and by adding additional layers of pencil lines, you can make your tones darker. But having a softer leaded pencil definitely helps in getting darker tones. So just follow along, and I hope you find this video helpful and useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video. Have a great day.